Hey there, Dr. Crypto here with another crypto market update, a Crypto.com CRO update, and also a little bit of brief overview of the Filecoin as well. So if you want to sign up to Crypto.com, down in the description below, there is a referral link there too. And if you sign up with this referral link, you'll get $25 and I'll get $25 too. So we're both winners. So if you like this channel content, give us a thumbs up, give subscribe. It's always much appreciated. But wherever you are in the world, I hope you're having a great day too. And let's get straight into it. So we're looking at the crypto market at the moment. As of today, we're sort of well above $1 trillion. We're holding that support. 24-hour volume is starting to creep back up, especially after that low bit at the weekend. Dominance hasn't really changed much for Bitcoin. It's still around about the 42.4. Ethereum is at 18.7. But overall, you know, over the 60-day period, we've still got Bitcoin up over 44%, Ethereum over 38%, and then we've got BNB at 24%, and then we've got XRP at 11%, and then Cardano at 47%, and we still got Solana up a whopping 133%. But there's a big one here somewhere, which I also go, yeah, Filecoin up 137% too, and then also looking at CRO, we're up over 42%. So the market is looking pretty healthy, and like Bitcoin at the moment is just sitting at around, we're up on the 24-hour, about $2.31. We have had the monthly close, but at the moment everything seems to be looking fairly good, because if we look at the chart at the moment, just overall, we could have a look at the Dixie. The Dixie, yeah, it's sort of like on the 3 hour. If we put it on the 1 hour, gets better. We've sort of like hit resistance here at around about 105, and we've just been basically hit the next 105, and then we've basically just been dropping down, and we're going below the trend line, which is right here now. So yeah, as long as the Dixie keeps dropping, I'm happy, because that means generally the traditional markets, risk off market, will start, and bit crypto will start to hopefully start to rally. So, but just be aware that we are sort of oversold on the stock RSI, but as I always say before, we can also drop lower, or we could just go sideways on that. So just be aware of that. Always watch the dollar when you're trading any crypto assets. But yeah, looking over that, the dollar's going down. We'll see what happens when the market opens in the US today. But overall, you know, the crypto market is all beautiful green. Start of March. Hopefully, March is going to be that green month for us again. And that, you know, because we all like the greens, because it means we make profit. Unless you're shorting and the market tanks, then you make profit there too. But yeah, overall, the market's looking fairly healthy. I'm happy. You know, because some of my short-term trades, I don't leverage trade. I always, if I do any kind of trading, it's generally spot trading and that. So yeah, looking all healthy at the moment. Let's hope we can keep on maintaining that green momentum. So right, let's have a look at what's happening with CRO. So Crypto.com, the CRONOS has had a lot of FUD last year of 2022, but that's all behind us. We've got to look forward to the future now, and the future in Crypto.com and the CRONOS chain is looking mighty bright in my eyes. This is going to be one of the projects I feel, my personal opinion, is going to be, they're going to absolutely rock it come the next bull market. And that, because when you've got trusted more than 80 million users worldwide, leader in regulatory compliance and security certifications, the industry most comprehensive insurance coverage, verified proof of reserves. So yeah, you know, if you hit this, like I said, if in the description below, if you want to sign up to Crypto.com, there is a description there. If you want to use the referral code too. But also, just a quick overview, what do they do? Buy and sell on the app. They have Crypto.com NFTs, which I do hold some NFTs. I also have an ICY Visa card as well, which gives me some nice little perks. You got Crypto.com Pay, Crypto Earn, Crypto Credit, and on the exchange, you have the Exchange Home, margin trading, derivative trading, DeFi wallets, browser extensions, desktop wallets, Pay for Business. And the list just seems to go on and on and on with them. And this is why I'm so bullish. They're like the one-stop shop. I love the DeFi wallet because I stake my CRO in there. And my CRO earns passive income. Even in this bear market, you know, it earns me passive income, which is a winner because I just accumulate the CRO in my DeFi wallet, and basically I just put it back into the ecosystem again. Buying that dip basically without actually putting any fiat money into it. So it's increasing my holdings in the crypto world. And also I own the Visa card as well. So every time I do some shopping online or wherever, I also own. I also earn CRO from that as well. So I'm always earning CRO some way or another. So it's worth just going to the crypto.com website, check it all out. If you download the app, it doesn't cost you anything to download it, check it out, see what you feel of it. That's what I always recommend. And also another little tip is I don't just like I said, I just don't have just crypto.com. I have other exchanges as well, because if something goes down, especially in the bull market, as we knew in the previous bull market, when you sort of get this high volatility in, sometimes you find some of the exchanges end up going down and you want to sell something. So if you have like 3-4 other exchanges on there, you can go and knock on their doors if you need to sell anything pretty quick. But that's just my own personal opinion. But it's looking really good for crypto.com. But also, we had this tweet on here not so long ago from the maker of this video, 24 minutes ago, from Eric. Eyes watching. Attention VIP advanced and institutional traders, be the first to learn about the customized staking solution, up and coming assets, professional services and more, all coming your way soon. This is what I mean with crypto.com. They're always building, there's always something new coming out. And a lot of people were saying, well, they're putting all this money into the crypto.com arena, the World Cup, UFC, whatever. But what's actually happening is people are seeing it. It's out there. People come across, what do they see? Crypto.com. What do they see when they see the basketball at the Crypto.com arena? Crypto.com. Or they see the fights at the UFCs. They see Crypto.com. What is Crypto.com? So they go and check it out. Oh, let's have a look at that. Oh, what they do. And then they basically get the people in that way. And this is why, in the bear market, they've got 80 plus million. And I just find it difficult that there's a lot of these bigger influencers out there who don't really talk about crypto.com. They'll talk about Binance and things like that, because obviously Binance is really big. But crypto.com is there. It's creeping up, getting closer, and it's getting closer, and it's getting closer. I would not be surprised, this is not financial advice, I would not be surprised if crypto.com in the next bull run ends up going into the top 10. I really don't, because everything they're building, everything they're doing, their marketing is absolutely phenomenal. It's getting there. And what is this staking solution? So what we know so far on this is register your interest now and be the first to enjoy better staking experience. So what actually is it? So we've got here, there'll be more information coming out as no doubt the days and weeks come along. Not all staking solutions are built the same. For VIPs, very important persons, advanced and institutional traders, we're proud to announce the launch of our on-chain staking solution on the Crypto.com exchange. Whether you're a supporter of ETH or Sol, our staking solution is designed to help make the most of your holdings. Ahead of the competition, apart from the usual rewards for staking your favourite token, you can also expect these. Customized solution, enjoy your potential for higher staking rewards based on your relationship with us, as well as your preferred liquidity period, preferential treatment, and more. Preview of new assets. Always be the first to know up and coming assets available for on-chain staking, along with new product rollouts. White glove service. Get in touch with our sales representatives anytime through your preferred communication method. Visit us at crypto.com/exchange/staking to register your interest today. And this is exactly why I've just said, this is why I can see this getting up to the top 10. This is why I can see this getting to the $3, the $4 in the next bull run. And that is why I stake on my DeFi, because I'm accumulating CRO all the time. I've also, when the market's down and everybody's been scared and selling, I've bought more CRO. I keep buying, accumulating, because when that bull market does come, if the bull market doesn't come till 2024, beginning of 24, I don't really care too much, because it just gives me more time to accumulate. and build up my positions ready for that time. Obviously, you're going to see drops. You're going to see crypto go up 5, 10, and you see some of these altcoins going up 40, 50, 100%. Expect the 20 to 30% retracement. It doesn't scare me. Look at everything long term. Do not look at everything. If you're in here for a long term hold, ignore the short term volatility. Unless you're a day trader and you're on leverage, which personally I don't always recommend unless you know exactly what you're doing on leverage. I don't touch it. The closest I go is spot trading, and that's what I do, and that's generally swing trades. I normally swing trade for up to a month really, and then if it's gone up, then I'll take profits. But but there you go. Crypto.com, totally underestimated. Users are growing. The ecosystem is growing. The CRONOS chain is absolutely growing. It's going to be unstoppable at some point, because if you look on the charts at the moment, I really do think after all the FUD, actually all the FUD that came back just shows me how strong Crypto.com, the CRONOS chain, is. And when the FUD did come and it dropped, and you saw these people selling, I was buying. So in a way, the FUD sort of helped me out. It just shows you that they were resilient to that FUD. They came out, the CEO, the team came out stronger and stronger than ever. The NFTs are getting bigger. The numbers in Crypto.com are also growing. But you can see here, I just really do think, obviously, we've had Bitcoin which dropped down. Basically, we had this falling wedge that was created here. This is on the 1 hourly, by the way, but we had this falling wedge created. We broke out. So as long as the Bitcoin starts to push up, I can see CRO pushing up too, unless we get some mega big news and then we fly up. But we're really all undervalued. So my next target at the moment is about 8 pence, but it's so undervalued. It's so undervalued because the FUD happened. We'd really dropped down. But look, this is where I feel we're going to go. We're going to go, I feel, as long as the market starts pushing up, I can see us easily getting to around about the 12 cents mark. And that is around about from where we are at the moment. If I just measure that out very quickly, that's about another 58%. I really do think it's doable. When you see others like Solana's doing 100%, you see other crypto altcoins doing 100%. You saw Filecoin doing 138%. CRO, I can't see why that can't do it either. But I just really do think, it's looking fairly strong for CRO. Let's have a quick check on what's actually happening with Filecoin at the moment. So, okay, looking at Filecoin at the moment. So we're sitting at around about $6.94. So basically, market cap is up by 3.50, fully diluted market cap up by 3.28, and volume is up by 23, just over 23%. Sentiment, do not know what that is there, but generally sentiment is really is bullish for Filecoin, and it has very good reason to be bullish on Filecoin, because not long now we've got the Filecoin virtual machine coming out, which is be coming out around, I think it's around about the 23rd of March. So it's this month really that it's coming out. So that's going to be absolutely massive for Filecoin in terms of what they're doing. So basically, the bottom line of it, the decentralized storage network Filecoin plans to bring smart contracts and users programmability to the Filecoin blockchain, has been grabbing the attention of the crypto community. And also Filecoin early announcement, its native Filecoin virtual machine launch on March. The file price rallied 30% last week. The Filecoin tweet on February the 20th, compatible with Filecoin machine, mainnet launch on March the 14th, sorry, not the 23rd, so ignore that, it was March the 14th. According to the blog post, the Ethereum compatibility Filecoin virtual machines, a VVM, is launching on the Filecoin mainnet on March the 14th. So the basically says here, the Filecoin community recently completed the largest hackathon to date, FVM Space Warp, in collaboration with the ETH Global. It received overwhelming support, the developer community. So, like I said, this is going to be absolutely massive. NFTs, everything, it's going to be there on the virtual machine. This is really going to bring in more user case to Filecoin. you know, what is the next dot? I did say, you know, in a previous video that we would hit around about the $9 to $10, and we hit it. We've just basically here just hit it on resistance here. I thought that would happen, and then Bitcoin had a retracement, and so did Filecoin. But as we're here, we've got a bullish divergence has been created, and we've pumped to the upside. We're currently up as today. We're up about 6.75% as of today. But Filecoin is one of my long-term holds. I really, really do. Could we go to all-time high again? Of course we can. But even if we don't, I bought down where it went down to around about $5. I bought my bag there, quite a big bag of Filecoin ready. Could it go to all-time high? Sure it could. It might not do. You've got to bear that one in mind. I'm being totally transparent here. It might not ever do, you know. But even if it went up to $100, I'll be happy. But could it go to the moon? Of course it could. Could it go up to whatever its what was its previous all-time high? Let's have a quick check on this. So if we go down here, all-time high was $237. Could it go? And we're down 97%. Could we get back to it? Of course we could. Could it go to $100? Of course it could. You know, it's crypto. We just do not know. So, but overall, Filecoin's looking bullish. I really do feel that we could end up testing back up to that $9, $10. And depending on how the crypto market goes, and, you know, I really think it could go up further than that. You know, so, but anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this kind of content. If you like this kind of content, give us a thumbs up, subscribe. And like I said, if you want to sign up to Crypto.com app, just in the description below with a referral code. You know, and you get $25, I get $25. So I'll see you in the next video. Take care and have a great day.